Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Akuma Inu token. Ticker symbol is Akuma. Now this token is on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. You can find this token on BaseScan. You can find it on DEX Tools or DEX Screener if you're looking for the chart and the price. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token I saw actually trending, it was either yesterday or the day before, doing very well. This token has millions of dollars of market cap. And then today, I saw it advertised on DEX Screener. An ad button popped up. I was recording a video for the blue-based alien token on Base, and you could check out that video as well. That's a very popular Base meme coin that's being listed on Bitmart, so check that out. But this token here has a huge market cap here. According to DEX Screener, right now their market cap is $6.5 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, the Akuma token has a 24-hour trading volume of $136,000. They've had 9,996 transactions today. Token price is up 22.63% in the past 24 hours. And this token has the ads button on DEX Screener, so they have been marketing today on DEX Screener, like I said there. Fairly new token, was just created. The pair was just created on Uniswap 4 days, 18 hours ago. And they have 19.76 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 7.39 billion pooled Akuma tokens. They have a couple quick audits we're going to go over here in a second here. But it says, forged in the frenzied fires of market volatility, Akuma Inu has emerged as the embodiment of the degen spirit, wild, unyielding, and relentless in the pursuit of crypto supremacy. Base, the underground arena where Akuma Inu cuts its fangs, known amongst the crypto degens as the origin pit. Base is where fortunes are made and lost at the speed of light, and only the shrewdest survive. Here in the depths of the origin pit, Akuma Inu harnessed the raw, untamed power of high-stake trades and uncharted digital frontiers. Each transaction on the Base blockchain is a pact with Akuma Inu, sealed with the thrill of the gamble and the pursuit of glory in this volatile dance of devilish delight. Akuma Inu is not merely a token. It's the birth of a legend, with a supply cursed at 666,666,666,666,666 tokens. It represents the ultimate challenge to Doge, Shiba, and their kin, promising an epic saga of conquest, strategy, and community spirit. The battlegrounds of the Base blockchain have never witnessed a contender quite like Akuma Inu, with its unparalleled speed, efficiency, and near zero transaction fees. We're all about creating a big wave with many tokens, so our price is set where anyone can join. A lot of meme coins on Base are 1 to 5C, and we aim to make it cheaper so everyone can join in some meme degen fun. And that is basically, in a nutshell, what this project is all about here. Now, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH and bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Base for this token using that contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter, which is at Base Akuma Inu. I'm going to check if there's taxes here. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Buy and sell tax, it says, is 0%, so you will not have to set slippage. So they have here a Twitter that just joined November 2024, 147 followers, 69 posts. Every time I think Akuma, I think of, what is it, Street Fighter? Pretty sure it's not Street Fighter 1 or whatever, but it's either Street Fighter or Mortal Kombat, but I'm pretty sure it is Street Fighter that Akuma is from. But anyways, so it says, you know what the difference is between other meme coins and us is that we've got the cojones to hodl and pump. So they have all sorts of little memes, meme updates and posts like that on the Twitter that you could follow. On the base scan, it says there's 18 decimal places on this token. It actually says their max total supply is only 666 billion, and then all sixes and not trillion. So I would go by the base scan. Maybe the web page was off with 3 sixes there. And right now they have 50,012 holders. Doing very well, this project here. Their Telegram is at Akuma Inu on Base, and this is the Telegram chat channel. It says the next big dog on Base, 455 Telegram members, 125 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to discuss the project with other community members. They have a Go Plus security audit on Dex Screener that has no warnings on it. A Quick Intel security audit that has no warnings on it. They have a token sniffer score, though, of only 49 out of 100. So just be aware of that. That's a pretty low token sniffer score. I don't know why that is. I haven't reviewed the whole thing, but audits are good, but the token sniffer score is low. So just totally take that with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.